Hello students, I'm Shashi Sharma back again from SS English Learning Center with another topic of debate. The topic is competition a necessary part of the education process? I repeat, is competition a necessary part of the education process? Past few years have witnessed a huge rise in the number of students who score very high marks, with some of them even scoring 100% in different subjects. Now, this trend has sparked off a debate whether the method of education should be made more competitive or should students be given more relaxed and easygoing curriculum. And I think competition in education has taken a new and more aggressive form right from the school level to admission in colleges. Now the question is whether it is necessary in the education. Yes, competition should be made necessary in the education process because education has a purpose to create excellent and responsible citizens, and education is the key factor in achieving this. When the whole world is engaged in a competition to stay ahead and forward in the race of supreme dominance, nothing less than high competitive levels of education will do. Competitive structure of education will keep both the students and teachers motivated. Since teachers have the responsibility to give their optimum, they will not only work hard but also go out of their way to make sure that their students enjoy a clear advantage over their competitors. The spirit of competition will repeat better and more competent classroom sessions with innovative and fresh ideas of teaching being devised in the pursuit of excellence, involving methodical planning of lessons and adopting efficient, well-organized teaching strategies and tactics. Students will come enthusiastic as they will have to prove their skills against the best talent from other institutions. Competition will act as a booster and they will put in more hard work to stay ahead in the race. It will be a healthy rivalry that will prepare them for the future, and this extra effort will automatically improve the marks and the grades. As this extra effort will bring success, the students and teachers will feel more confident and self-assured and more encouraged to perform even better. But some people think, no, competition should not be made necessary in the education process. If competition is added to education, then it will badly affect the morale and confidence of the students as well as the teachers. There is already a lot of competition among students inside a single classroom, and they do their best to perform better than the others. If undue pressure is built on them by introducing competition, then the performance of the students will be disturbed. As a result, students will be stressed, depressed, and disheartened on not achieving the desired goal. If competition is made mandatory, then school will have to overhaul their entire timetable, which might also include longer school hours, longer duration of class, cutting down on games and sports, and reducing the duration of the study break. This means that there will be hardly any time for sports and other leisurely activities. Their social lives will be hampered as they will not get time to spend with their families and friends, and their overall well-being and health might be affected. In a bid to outperform the peers, it is much possible that students will become secluded from each other so as to concentrate only on students, and in the process start to ignore classmates. So what is the conclusion then? That means competition is necessary, but it should be healthy rather than students participating in a rat race. Thank you.